This is how a simple piece of dating advice from my older brother made me $10 million. What's up, Andrew, if you're watching this? A long time ago, I was dating this girl and I was super frustrated with the relationship. So I did what every single little brother does. I bitched about it to my older brother. I started complaining, and my older brother gave me this piece of advice that has literally made me millions and millions of dollars. He said, okay, bro, so let me ask you, on a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you with this relationship? I gave it about a 4. Now here's the $1 million advice. He said, I want you to just let your ego go. I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to think about her and her happiness with the relationship. What do you think she would give her happiness with the relationship with you on a scale of 1 to 10? And honestly, my answer was about a 2. I never thought about it that way. Now here's how this has made me millions of dollars. I want you to think about the experience that your buyers have to go through. I don't want you to think about your products, your features, your feature benefits. What's the actual experience in working with you, your organization? What kind of stuff do they have to go through? What's the experience with your competition? When you can take your ego out of the equation and literally stop and take a minute and think about, what does somebody have to go through to do business with me? You can make the improvements that are going to help you in your next relationship. And you can make millions of dollars yourself. You owe my bro a beer for that one. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.